The Galaxy is a compact and portable carpet upholstery cleaning machine, ideal for residential and institutional cleaning. Smaller than its larger Steam Pro brothers, but still capable of delivering an incredible cleaning performance, the Galaxy is the ideal machine for new startup businesses. The front tank contains the cleaning solution and the rear tank the recovered waste. In the bottom of the clean solution tank there is a mesh filter designed to prevent foreign objects from damaging your pump. Unscrew this regularly, clean and replace. In the waste tank there is a ball float vacuum shutoff valve. It is designed to help prevent foam and water from ingesting into the vacuum motor, which may cause damage. Regularly remove like this, clean and replace. At the back of the waste tank is a drop tube. Simply loosen the tube gently, pull out, clean and replace with the slot facing downwards against the back wall. If constant hot water is required, the Galaxy is capable of having the heat and run inline heater added. The heat and run simply clips into the bracket and connects to the Galaxy like so. Connects the grey cuff onto the black barb inlet to the waste tank and connects the brass male coupling into the female at the rear of the machine. Ensure it is fully clipped in correctly. Repeat this action at the other end to connect the carpet cleaning wand. Add the recommended amount of clean detergent to the water according to the instructions on the label and pour this into the clean solution tank. Using defoamer before each clean is crucial to avoiding unwanted foam buildup in the waste tank. Mix the required amount of concentrate and a small amount of water and feed the solution into the vacuum hose with the vacuum motor switched on. Turn on the switches and commence extraction cleaning with the wand. Try to keep your back straight whilst doing so. Leaning on the wand does not clean any deeper, in fact it could restrict airflow. Make as many extra vacuum passes with the wand as required. Once completed, you can empty the waste solution via the black gate valve at the rear of the machine. Dispose of this correctly into a toilet or commercial sluice. To empty any excess clean solution from the front tank, consider attaching a priming drain hose and simply pump that solution into the waste tank and clean like so. Remember, each machine comes with a voucher to attend 1 day of a Prochem training course free to help you get the best results when cleaning carpets with your machine.